Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at RockyAuto.com, that online parts store every DIY mechanic mentions while elbow deep in engine oil. The big question is it a legit gold mine or a digital scrap heap? Let's break it down before you spend your grocery money on a refurbished alternator. First off, they've been around since 1999, which in internet years makes them practically ancient. Any site surviving over 2 decades in the cutthroat auto parts world is clearly doing something right, or at least they've mastered the art of not going extinct. Their social media presence is actually quite massive, spanning Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. They have over 157,000 followers on Facebook, proving that a lot of people are either genuine fans or just like watching the drama unfold in the comments. They aren't hiding in the shadows either. The founders, Tom and Jim Taylor, are real people with real LinkedIn profiles. They even list a physical address and a phone number, which is a nice touch for those who still enjoy the vintage experience of knowing exactly where to send a strongly worded letter. However, this is where the engine starts making a suspicious knocking sound. When we checked external reviews, things got a little shaky, to put it mildly. With a 1.8-star rating from nearly 3,000 reviews, it seems their customer service department might be located in a literal black hole. Users have reported receiving defective parts, slow shipping, and part descriptions that are about as accurate as a psychic's career advice. Apparently, customer satisfaction was an optional trim level they forgot to include in the factory build. The real kicker is the return process, which sounds like a nightmare designed by a corporate lawyer. Some customers claimed that even when Rock Auto sent the completely wrong part, the customer was still stuck paying for the return shipping. Because nothing screams 5-star service like paying for the privilege of fixing someone else's blunder. To be fair, it's not all doom and gloom. Plenty of people save a ton of money and get exactly what they need without a single hitch. Final thoughts. Rock Auto is definitely a legitimate business with a long history, but you should probably order with a side of caution. If you're a seasoned pro who knows every bolt size by heart and doesn't expect a hand to hold when things go wrong, it's a great way to save cash. But if you prefer a stress-free return policy and a support team that actually answers the phone, you might want to think twice before clicking checkout. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.